Hello, Bob Hall here with another sustainable farming video from Hallsome Farm. Today I'm going to harvest some sweet potatoes. But first I wanted to show you, this is part of our food forest line, and I put 2 slips, sweet potato slips in here. And you can see here how we got all these weeds and stuff. The whole thing was like that, and look how these sweet potatoes have taken over. I've never watered them, done anything to them, haven't fertilized, just put this hay down. They're even growing sweet potatoes in the hay. They're just taking over and just doing really well. And that's just from 2 slips. And they make a wonderful ground cover, and I'm pretty excited. But right now we're gonna go over and harvest some out of the potato. All right, now we just saw what's in the food forest, and here are the sweet potatoes I planted in the potato bags. And I've been waiting for about a week for the wind to die down enough that we can make this video. I'm more excited than a kid at Christmas. But I want to start emptying these out and see what we get. And there's 12 bags here, and this turned out looking pretty good as well. But I actually, we'll see how the harvest goes, but I actually think we got more ground cover in the food forest. I don't know if we got more sweet potatoes, but we'll see. So we'll harvest right here. I turn this over to the camera's right where your fingers are, so.
Oh. You ain't gonna move that, Bob.
Yeah.
Oh, you gonna dump it in?
Uh-huh.
You want my knife?
Yeah. Still got a few more. All right, let's see. I'll turn the little barrel up. All right. Let's see.
Uh-oh. Bob.
Yeah, they're probably all towards the top. See, there's the roots.
Whoa.
Oh, you just broke one.
It wasn't very big.
Okay, there's one.
There's a big one right here.
There we go. Here's another big one. There, look at that. Wow.
Yeah.
Look at that guy. These are the purple. Oh, I found that one. And these vines, they're all edible. I think we're going to feed them to the animals.
Get that.
All right. Well, we'll let this dirt compost down.
2, 3 big ones.
And we'll use it again in February to plant the white potatoes. And we'll just keep recycling these bags. And here's we got 3 very large potatoes. potatoes and 3 smaller ones. So now what we'll do is you gotta let these cure. See, look how, you see just from our fingers where we scratched, the potato skins are very fragile at this stage. That's why it's nice to use the potato bags. And you gotta put these in a nice cool place, dark pantry or something, for about 2 weeks, and that'll toughen the skins up. So we'll harvest the rest of those. This is mid-October, probably the 1st of November. We'll harvest the rest of them, get them ready for Thanksgiving, and we'll let you know how it comes out. This is Bob Hall with Hallsome Farms. If you like what we're doing here, excuse me, all the mosquitoes are out. If you like what we're doing here on the farm, please subscribe to our channel and like us. Thanks for watching.